Blockstream Green App. The pros, the cons. The Blockstream Green App is one of the oldest and most trusted Bitcoin wallets around. But even with its reputation for security, most people overlook some key details that could change how they use it. Let's explore the pros and cons of this powerful Bitcoin tool. Starting with the pros, Blockstream Green is built with security as its core mission. It uses a multi-signature system, which means your wallet requires two keys to move funds, one controlled by you and one by Blockstream. This design adds an extra layer of protection, making it extremely hard for attackers to access your Bitcoin even if they get hold of your device. Another major plus is privacy. Blockstream Green connects to the Bitcoin network through Tor or your own full node, helping you keep transactions more anonymous and preventing data leaks. It's also beginner-friendly yet advanced. The interface is clean, making it simple to send and receive Bitcoin, but it also supports advanced features like authorization, hardware wallet integration, and testnet access for developers. The wallet runs on iOS, Android, and desktop, syncing seamlessly between them while keeping private keys encrypted locally. It's open source too, meaning its code is publicly verifiable, a big deal for transparency in crypto. Now for the cons. First, Blockstream Green is a Bitcoin-only wallet, so if you want to manage Ethereum, NIFs, or altcoins, you need another app. Its focus on Bitcoin purity can feel restrictive to multi-asset users. Another drawback is dependency on Blockstream servers for part of the multisig process. While this enhances security, it can slow down transactions if servers are under heavy load. Lastly, its advanced features might seem intimidating to complete beginners who just want a simple wallet. In conclusion, the Blockstream Green App is a powerhouse for Bitcoin security, a wallet made for users who prioritize safety and privacy above all else. It's not flashy, and it's not multi-chain, but for Bitcoin holders who care about doing things the right way, it's one of the best tools out there.